how to create a YouTube channel or on your phone. That's I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away. Now the very first thing that you want to do is go to youtube.com. Go to youtube.com on your browser and not the app, and here you want to log into your account that you want to create a channel, and then request the desktop site. If you are on iOS, you have to click on the 2s, then request the desktop website, and on Android you either have to click on these three dots and request a desktop site. So from this point you have to zoom in a little bit like this one and click on your profile picture, and then go to the settings. Now where you have to zoom out again, and here where you can create another channel, so click on create a new channel, and right here you have to put in a brand name such as channel or whatever. Just click on create. We have created the channel. I believe if this will load, so let's wait for that. And yeah, here it is created. We have now created this channel. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comments if it worked. I will see you here next time. Have a good day.